bum bag.
And in the bum bag we have the camera.
The camera,
and
some extra batteries, and my phone and reading glasses.
Yeah.
Because this is a gear spread video.
What's in my backpack?
What's in my backpack? And this is...
And this is my backpack. I have just doing the grocery shopping, so I will do a grocery haul.
The red jacket that you, as you have seen so many days. This is... we haven't unpacked anything yet.
No, we just arrived 1 minute ago to this location.
Yeah, I will set up this on 1:15 because I'm going to do it a bit easy. Because I'm going to pitch the tent.
Yeah, because we need to clean everything out as well. So the poles are just in the bag because we have a travel day, not a hiking day. So
this is my backpack. In the top drawer here I have the toiletries. I have to show you. We have this power bank. So this has been a really nice one. And this water system we have as well. So a live straw, and this bag we have really used for. So we have bag, I have a filter.
And we used it as a shower as well, so it was super
Exactly.
nice.
So this was...
Yeah, so you can boil up some water and pour it in with the cold water there to use it as a shower.
We haven't used it so much, but the time we have used it, it had
Worth
been
every
absolutely
time.
Great. Yeah. So toiletries. I have maps in here if we use maps. So easy access in this one. And the pisetofflor.
The pea shoes.
Pea shoes. I have to unpack this one. Oh, that's just cleaning.
Cleaning sponges.
And here we have Thermarest X-Lite, aka Toffee Fee. You can never travel without a shawl. This one, dress, skirt, towel for the head, blanket in the evenings. I use it to so many things.
And I have the same, and I use that for showering.
Yeah.
And to cover up if there is...
Cover up the eyes in the evenings. Hormone plasters, some scissors,
razors,
painkillers,
yeah.
mosquito spray.
Apotek, pharmacy.
Yeah, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I have one pair of long pants. I have 2 shirts, 2 bras, 2 underwear. So this is the dirty ones, and you can see the colors. It's so used, this is finished. And in here, warm jacket and my warm skirt, thermal skirt. I don't know the name, but
down jacket and a thermal skirt.
Yeah.
And I have the same in my bag without the skirts.
You don't have a skirt. And this one, guys, a small
game
thermos.
changer. Thermos.
Yeah, thermos. We have it with us all the time.
Yeah, and we always bring a thermos when we're traveling, so it's not the first time we have the thermos. We have a bigger one when we travel abroad to other countries, but that one was perfect.
In my pocket here I have toilet paper, no need to explain that, my knife, rain gloves like this, and always for my lips. I have that one. I have too many with me, I know, but
and I have the same in my pockets. But I got a mosquito net as well that I used to.
Yep.
Not once.
And in the other, I have my wind gloves, and yeah, and this one. I don't bring a torch like this. If you're gonna have a lamp, have a headlamp. That's my next. I will shop next one. And this is mosquito net. I think I wanted to use this a couple of times, but then I forgot. So I have never used it.
Like a lot of you commenters, you can be too lazy. Never be lazy when you're hiking. Change your gear, change your clothes, put an extra layer on, take off layers if you're too hot.
Don't be lazy.
Don't be lazy.
Yeah, and the most important thing, the stick to the tent. And this is the tent, our beloved Dörston tent.
Yeah, in my backpack I don't have so many things now because I threw everything out and give away a lot of things when we were up in Smygehuk. So I have a little bit food left, but a lot of food I gave away. Peanut butter, rice, noodles, oatmeal, I have ketchup, extra coffee, everything I gave away to other hikers. So they got super happy, of course. So now my bag is only like 15 kilos. I put away like 10 kilos of things. It smells 10 kilo of things in my bag, so I'm happy. And I have the same as Anna, pants, double shirt, but I have that in a pack cube there. And in my I have a rain pants, rain jacket, and my down jacket as well, and gloves and everything, and a kitchen, Tangea kitchen, but that you have seen, guys, so that's not of any interest. So that's in my bag because I have the kitchen and everything we have eaten I have carried around with fruits and veggies and everything. So I carry around a lot of extra weight for time to time, but I didn't want to get hungry.
It's really wet.
Yeah.
And it's funny, this was the first pitch in this place.
Yeah.
Yeah. But on the other way.
Yeah. So the first and the last pitch.
I will just do. This is not the absolutely correct way, but I will do it just a very quick setup because I want to dry it and I want to show you the tent for the last time this time. So, and this is quite a few adjustments, but this is how quickly you set up this tent.
Yeah. But this is not the perfect setup.
No, it's not. But you could. And this in here is oh, wrong order. We have to take the. Here is my X-Speed poncho. Rain pants, Haglöf's rain pants. And here. Take the other one. No, I think this one. This is a game changer as well. Before we just had those thermarest, and then you cannot hike without this one. And for this is I will not blow it up actually, I'm going to show you like this just. So we have those thermarest underneath that one. And in here I have Dan's clothes, hoodie, shorts, underwear,
Everything
socks.
extra.
Yeah. Yeah, but I wanted to show you with this one. We have two, of course, and this is a really great one. a blow up bag, so you don't blow into it. You just use it to fill it up.
You catch up with the air.
Yeah.
You catch air, you don't never blow. So yeah, it's a super nice.
Yeah. And if you have the time, if you just lie like this, it will blow itself up. But we didn't try that because
We had
don't
never
have the
had time. We have always pitch late night.
And here's my clothes. I have a hoodie. Oh, you have a beautiful shirt, and I have a beautiful dress as well, that we had used a little bit. But what you need is a double of this and single of everything else.
Yeah. And other hikers only have one shirt, one pair of pants, and one sock. But we have two of everything, with and an extra hoodie as well, just to feel
And
nice.
long johns.
And long johns, of
Long
course.
johns.
Yeah.
I have used it as a PJ. And then we have in here dense sleeping bag.
Yeah, it was sublime. I'm so happy with it. No problem whatsoever.
You are so satisfied with that one.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I have my quilt before, as you know, and that was a bit too cold. Now in the autumn arrives, so I bought myself. And we like these compression bag as well. They are amazing. And these are my new one. You have a marmot, I have a marmot. Absolutely stunning. And in these we use the liner. And the liner we have also used in when we were at the
SDF cabins and everything.
Yeah.
Where a lot of places didn't have bed linen or anything, so then we use them, and then use the sleeping bags as well at some places which were extra cold.
Yeah. And GoPro stuff.
Yeah.
Batteries, charger, and so on.
Yeah, and I have all the computer stuff and extra things to edit and around that, with the hard drives and everything.
And maps. And the last thing is
The soles.
double soles. But that I don't think we're gonna have.
Next time, no. But we're gonna send after soles. If you do a long hike, I think you need at least 2 or 3 changes of soles.
Yeah.
So maybe we walk for a couple of months, then we send soles to that place. So I think you need them, but not to carry around.
Extra.
No.
Yeah. So yeah. The neighbor are looking weird at us because we haven't been home for 7 months, and now I'm standing in the garden with all my stuff.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is what we have. This is
Everything.
no, it's not everything.
Coffee cups.
Coffee mugs.
The best one. Then we have seen all over
Yeah.
the world. So that's nice.
So is it empty?
No.
Yes, now it's empty.
Yeah.
I don't have anything else.
No. And like I said, I have almost the same. I have computer, dinner, but I carry my own clothes, the extra clothes, except the pack cube. But the t-shirt, the extra underwear, the extra socks, my shorts, I always carry in outside of my backpack there, so it can dry up and for use as well. So, but this is it.
A good thumbnail?
I think all the shit is over here.
Everything is.
Turn it around so we got more car. Best thumbnail yet, I think. Thumb up, make a nice comment, tell all your friends, and hit the bell stuff and subscribe. Bye bye.
Bye bye.